We're in the Great Lake of Michigan.
Yeah.
Look at that. Sana all. It look like ocean. So we're here in the lake. We're stopping by here in the Great Lake of Michigan. Hi, honey. Morning, guys. I see a squirrel behind the tree.
Hiding from us?
Ang dami dito. Mayroon isa doon kanina. Oh, isa dyan, oh. Ito naman ka-ignorantehan ko. Nakita naman ako ng squirrel, oh. Laki. Kita nyo ba? Look at that. Kumakain. The squirrel is eating. I don't know where's the other one. It's gone now. Wala na dun sa puno. Umakyat yata. Tingnan mo yung lake nila, oh, parang dagat. Walang hanggang ano. Parang dagat. It's look like ocean.
Right, so this is what our Great Lakes look like.
Yeah.
Our state's surrounded by them.
Look like ocean, huh? This is a lake.
Yeah.
And some more the
Yeah,
water.
This is Lake Michigan.
Honey, and some more the water is color blue.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's very clean. I'll zoom it. I'll zoom it on the shore. Look. Kalinaw ng tubig, parang dagat. This look like ocean. Amazing, guys. Sana all. Look at that. Color blues look like ocean. Chai chai.
Let's go down this way. There we go.
We're in the Great Lake of Michigan.
Yep, Lake Michigan.
Malamig pa rin dito. Still cold. Tingnan mo yung parang kagigising lang natin.
It's a little chilly still out, but
Yeah.
it's nice.
Look at that. Sana all.
Feels good to us. I mean, it does to me anyway,
Yeah.
I guess.
Tingnan niyo kung gaano kalinaw yung tubig. It's very, very clear. It look like ocean. We have a big lake in Philippines. You see then the one Taal volcano? That is lake. But the color of the water is black. It's not black, it's dark. It's not same like this.
Color water as the oceans have, but it just doesn't have any salt in it.
Yeah. I'm gonna zoom one more time. Look at that. How clear the water is. Look like ocean. Nag-uumpisa nang magdahon yung mga puno dito. It should be like this, can cover it.
Yeah, now you need your
360 degree. This viewing structure is dedicated in memory of Richard Casel for the city of St. Joseph from the early 1970s until 1999, resulted in the development of this park and guaranteed its public use perpetuity. Thank you for watching!